This is Syracuse weather right now. We got murder with snow. When I tell you we got hit crazy. Like, we got smacked with snow. Like, violent snow. I'm talking back-to-back accidents. I'm talking people can't get out their house. I'm talking, damn. Like, people stuck, slipping, ice. It's your boy Wild G and Chelsea. And this is bad. Like, I didn't think it was gonna get this bad, but I kind of had a feeling it was gonna get this bad. But all you can do is get through it. Stay safe, stay warm. It's your boy Wild G and Chelsea. Make sure you like and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Hey, all these birds out here is crazy. Like and subscribe my video.